organization that brings to market solutions, products, all focused around gear manufacturing. So whether it's machine tools, perishable tooling, the services that we provide, the one goal of everything that we do is to make our customers better, more efficient, and really more profitable in the gear industry.
Our industry is constantly changing, whether it's new machine tools, new software, new technology, new tools, new coatings, new abrasives, whatever it might be, that it's a constant learning process that internally we need to be constantly re-educating ourselves on what is new, what is the latest. We're aggregating all of the experiences that we have from our various customers, that we pull that together and that we can offer that as a value to each of our customers.
One of the things that really drew me to Helios is the people side of it and the knowledge side. You know, I came into this not knowing a whole lot about gears, and Helios here in the States really helped us learn a lot more about the industry, learn about technologies, learn what was possible and what we could do.